So we're going to hike up to Sandbeach Lake today. It's a beautiful day. No clouds in the sky. Starting off with some nice big ponderosas. All right, time to stop and smell the ponderosa. Smells just like a vanilla cake.
Oh yeah, vanilla, yes.
Got a nice view of St. Vrain Mountain. No, wait a minute, that's Meadow Mountain. And we just got the alarm going off on the cell phone. What the hell was that? Okay, we're at the first trail intersection. 1.4 miles to Wild Basin entrance, 3.2 miles to Meeker Park that way, and 3.1 to Sandbeach Lake up that way. So we're on kind of a plateau, and there's Lookout Mountain up there. Check out the buds on this aspen tree. They're just starting to come out. This is where the trail crosses Campers Creek. And we're starting to run into a little snow on May the 13th. Actually, there usually is more snow than this at this time of year. Alright, we're in a nice lodgepole pine forest now. Stop, listen to the birds. You hear Campers Creek. No, that's Hunters Creek, right? Yeah. Coming up on Hunters Creek. Oh, that one's flowing pretty good, don't you think?
Yes, sir.
You want to take a swim?
Good.
Take a dip in there?
It is tempting.
Boy, that would be refreshing. Holy cow. So where are we, man?
We've made it to the horse hitching rack at Sandbeach Lake.
All right, yeah. Let's go and check out Sandbeach Lake. There is significant snow up here. Thankfully, it's hard packed. You don't sink in up to your knees. check it out, Copeland Mountain and Sandbeach Lake. Huh. There's Mount Orton. All right.
Now we get to lay on the beach.
Yeah.
That's the fun part.
I forgot to bring the suntan lotion.
Oh yeah.
Don't have a cooler of beer either. Hello. Let's see. Okay, Meeker. All right, just above Sandbeach Lake. So there's some people down there enjoying the beach. You get a picture of it?
Yeah, I got a picture of the yellow flower.
Okay, so where is this water going? We got water flowing in here, and then we got water flowing there. It looks like it's going down. Into a cavern down here. So we got water flowing in here, and it's flowing in there, and it's flowing underneath this tree. Very interesting. Okay, so we made it back. All right, you are here, we're here. And let's see. How many miles was that?
Oh, good question. How many miles was that? I think it's 4.5 miles to from here to